my name's Aaron Antis, and I'm the Vice President at Shaw Homes. What makes Shaw Homes different from every other builder you might look at is that we've built thousands of homes in Oklahoma going back to 1985, which means we're going to be there for you now and in the future. And as the highest rated and most reviewed home builder in Oklahoma, you know you can trust our quality and our process. We're also offering the best customer incentive of any builder in Oklahoma. If you're thinking about building a home, you need to know that Shaw Homes wants to pay your closing costs for you to help make your out-of-pocket costs to get into the home lower than any other builder in Oklahoma. On top of that, for a limited time, we're giving away thousands of dollars in free upgrades for some of the most popular upgrades and features that our customers typically pick in our homes. To find out how much you qualify for, just fill out our form here on the website and we'll contact you to give you more information. We'll also beat any competitor's price for the same quality of home. At Shaw Homes, we build the most energy efficient home of any builder in the state of Oklahoma, which saves you on your monthly costs every year you live in a Shaw home. At Shaw Homes, we wear our faith on our sleeve, and that means we are super passionate about taking care of people. We strive to be the company that gives our families the best possible customer experience of any home builder in the country. Shaw Homes has had the great honor of being the St. Jude Dream Home Builder, not only in Tulsa, but also in Oklahoma City for several years now. And we've raised millions of dollars for the kids at St. Jude Children's Research Hospital because no child should die in the dawn of life. The first step to our process is to take a model home tour. We know that most people prefer to see a furnished and decorated home so that they can tell what the home would actually live like. It's hard to look at a two-dimensional drawing in black and white on a piece of paper and tell what the home would actually feel like if you were in it. And at Shaw Homes, we have more furnished and decorated models than any builder in Oklahoma. So schedule a time to join any of our multiple weekly tours. If you're ready to let us pay your closing costs, beat any competitor's price, and give you thousands of dollars in free upgrades, then register here on our website and join one of our model home tours today. If you still have questions first, then call today and talk to one of our highly trained new home experts. The number in Tulsa is 918-688-5660, or in Oklahoma City area, it's 405-896-0333. We think you're going to love us, but if you need more proof, watch any of our hundreds of real customer testimonials right here on our website or on our YouTube channel. Thank you for trusting us to take a look at Shaw Homes.